Everybody, Michael Pavlovich here. I've been using ZBrush since 2004, 2005, about a junior in college, I suppose. And the paradigm shift that happened for me back then was I was letting the software dictate how I created and how I designed. It was basically manipulating components, and where I put my edges and where I moved my verts was dictating what I ended up designing. And watching, way back then, watching someone create, I think it was a deep sea fish out of a sphere, where they weren't worried about where they cut an edge. They were just masking and pulling and creating scales and working on what was visually compelling about their creation process, rather than, again, letting that technical prowess get in the way and determine their design. And that's actually what I hold every piece of software ever since then to, that gold standard, that ZBrush standard of it's the artist first and foremost. It's creating something visually compelling as the most important thing you do, and lowering that barrier to entry and allowing that creation process to happen, that artistry to happen, rather than becoming mired in process.